Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And guys, I forgot I had this. This fell behind something, and I forgot I had this puppy right here, so that's what we're going to be unboxing, this puppy right here. I forgot I had this. This is the Anker MagGo Power Bank 5000 milliamp hour battery at 7.5 watts. And I bought this for like $19.99. Normally they go for $24 to $26. If you can still find them, sometimes you can find them at Walmart, Target, and other such big box stores, but you will not be able to find this on Amazon. So this is, again, to give you some of the detail, this is wireless output is 5 watts to 7.5 watts. It has a stand. It's MagGo, rated for some of the iPhones. I want to say iPods, but iPhones and stuff like that. And then this is total output is 12 watts, and cell capacity again is 5,000 milliamp hours. And this right 5,000, yeah. And this right here would cost you again $25 to $26. And this is compatible for iPhones 12, 13, 14 series and later. So if you have anything before 12, this won't work for it as far as the magnetic, but it will charge it up if you just use it. Charge up the old-fashioned way. Okay, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey, guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it, and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, we're in the Eagle Eye View, guys, and this is how it looks. Like I said, I forgot I had it, so how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and use this unboxing knife right here. All right, so let me close this so I won't cut myself. All right. That. We have this right here. Okay. Put everybody back in there. And we have USB-C, USB-C. Okay, that's cool. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Now you can tell this now. Anker has been in the game for a long time, guys. So this is actually really thin. But you're looking at, might be no charge in here, so I might have to really charge it up. So let's go ahead. This is how you charge it. Charge it up. There should be an in and out port there. Should be the kickstand. So you go like that. So that's it. No, should be in and out. And I'm gonna have to go ahead and get it charged up, but there's no charge in this. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're going to charge it up. I'm gonna get another battery pack around about power bank. I said battery pack, power bank about this size, so you can see the size difference, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Now you can see this is the NU. This is a 45 watt, 10,000 milliamp hours, and this is a 7.5 watt, 5,000. And this costs $24, and this costs $24. Now, this normally costs $26. So at the regular price of $26, you're getting 10,000. And on top of that, you're getting 45 watts, and it's fast charging. This is not going to be fast charging at 7 watts, 7.5 watts, guys. Now, because this is only 5,000 milliamps, you see, a lot shorter, and this is a lot thinner. Okay, guys? But this is 5,000. This right here is 5,000. This is 22.5 watt, if I'm not mistaken. And this costs $23.99. Normal price is at $29.99. This is 5,000 milliamp, 22.5 watts, which is greater wattage here. So as you can see, this is still Anker, because you're paying for the name. Anker's, you're paying for the name. You're paying for, I'm guessing, reliability. I only got maybe one or two Anker because they cost so much. But as you can see, these two are roughly around same price, about what, $10 more if you get it off sale. This is only what, $3 or $4 more if you get it off sale. So for this price, guys, if you find something like this, you can go ahead and go online and find something that's going to give you, you can get the same amount of 5,000 milliamp to 10,000 and probably be in the same price range. Guys, here we go. We're going to see how much this goes. This is 135 grams, which is not a lot compared to this right here. You're looking at 191 grams. And if we go ahead and compare this, you're looking at 98 grams. So there you go, guys. You're looking at 134 grams, which is not a lot at all. Okay, guys, we'll go ahead and charge up. We'll just use this first. I'll show you how it looks when it charges up. There you go. It's charging up. So when all these lights are filled up, that means it's full. So okay, from there, see, it's charging up. Here. All right, it's charging up. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and let it charge up and then bring it back, and let's see how it looks when it's giving a charge to something. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and charge some things up. Like I said, this is an in and out. You'll put that in, and then we're gonna see. You see, charges up. So you can use this also to charge up your smaller devices at 7 watts. This, if you want to, as you can see, it says charge rapidly. So I don't have the, I have the old iPhone when it comes to that. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can just go ahead and use this part of it. There you go. So this is charging. Let's do that one more time. As you can see, it's charging. It took about an hour plus to charge to 80%. And I do kind of like the kickstand. Kickstand is pretty good. Sturdy. What kind of sturdy? Well, sturdy enough so you can do that. All right, so then what we're going to do too is, since I got this, I have the ring on under. It's built into this. MagSafe ring is built in there. We'll see if we can, and you can see it does work. See, charging wirelessly. Let's do that one more time. Charging wirelessly. Now, one thing I had to do is press this button. Like when I hit this right here, if you don't feel it or you don't see it recognized, you want to hit the button. But that's how it looks when it's charging. It's blue. Just let you know it's charging. I'm sorry, hit the camera, guys. So yeah. So I don't know. Let's see if it can charge up 2 things at one time. I don't know why I wouldn't be able to, but we'll see if it can. I mean, it's not that. All right, so we got charging. It just says charging. So it can't charge up 2 things at one time. See? So it can only charge up 1 thing at one time, guys. So there you go. All right, let's get to the regular review. Give my last thoughts. Give this the Anker MagGo
MagGo great. Yo, I'm back to give the Anker MagGo power bank, 5,000 milliamp power bank, my final thoughts on giving this puppy a grade. Guys, I really do like it. And for it to be, I think, 3 to 4 years old, might be a little older than that, but I'm going to say 3 to 4 years old, this is still a solid power bank. The price, I think, is a little too high for it to only be, 7.5 watt wireless output, and maybe, 12 watt C output. So 12 watt, I think that's, to me, overly priced. And I'm going to say Anker stuff is overly priced to me. Because you can get something like this, that's 10,000 milliamp hours. It doesn't have the MagSafe. It does come with its own little bit of stand here. But you get twice plus 45 watt, plus able to charge up a couple of things at the same time. This is only, maybe $6, $7 more than this. So yes, if you find this out about and you find it for $15, $20, I think that's a better price. But if you buy anything 25 on up, I don't think it's worth it. So yes, it's a solid power bank. It does what it says it's going to do. Cannot charge up 2 things at one time, but it can, get you through it in a pinch, which this is made for. This is not made to charge up your device totally, but it is made so it can get you there in a pinch. Okay, guys. So at $24.99, I don't think that's a good buy for this. Now, back in the day, 3 to 4 years ago, it would have been a pretty good buy. But nowadays, we got other brands out there that can give you more, and even with MagSafe, and do the same thing, but yet charge and charge up a couple of things at one time. I think this is a little lacking, at this point in time in history. So all of together, guys, I'm gonna give it a C. It's decent. If you find it, and you can find it for 15, maybe at $15 to $20, I think it's worth it. But 24, get into the $30 realm and stuff like that, I don't think it's worth it. Okay, guys. So that is my insight on the Anker MagGo power bank, 5,000 milliamp. But I think this is version 1. I do think they have a version 2 that is much better. But if you can find the version 1 for about $15, $20, I think that's a pretty good buy. All right, guys. Yo, before we go, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe to YouTube, guys. Like it when you like, share, and subscribe. Let me get into the YouTube algorithm. And, add a comment. Would you still buy this, or what brand do you like? Guys, I want to also thank my new current and new subscriber for still rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Guys, do me a favor. Please hit the notification bell and hit the all notification when it says notificate for all, because that will allow you to get notified anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, you have a good day. Peace.